This is how you install a Lomograflok onto the big wide. You're going to want the top side cold shoe to be facing upward, and then take note of a groove that's right down here, similar to all 4x5s that with the Grafmatic lock, and then the edge of the body here before you get to the grip. Also make sure that the grip is all the way down, and then make sure that this lock here, instead of being over here, it's fully out and then down as much as possible and out of the way. So you're going to bring your Lomograflok, you're going to take that little piece right there and then line it up with the groove. You're going to bring it in at an angle, and then you're going to feel some resistance down here because it's going to hit a plate down there, and that's perfectly fine. And then you'll see what I mean right there, that one right here. So you're basically just going to press it, right? Press up here to make sure that it's in fully up to the top, and then you come over here and then you just pinch that close and it should lock it on this side. Then you bring it over here, and then you bring the lock over and you push it down, and then there you go, it's fully locked. Also included is a tripod screw here if you want to secure it some more. If you want to make it basically semi-permanent so it's almost always on there securely, then that's fine. And then that hardware will be included along with Allen keys for this, Allen keys to adjust the the grip lock here to make sure that that's always tight, and to remove the two little screws on the diffuser frame if you want to remove that to use like your own studio flash or remote or something like that. All right, enjoy.